The atheist believes that it's his pursuit and love of truth that has led him away from God. But what he fails to realize is that atheism itself completely destroys and dismantles the whole concept of truth. Here's something I want you to think about. Why is truth important? Even if it means pausing the video for a second, really scratch your heads and really think about this question for a second. Why is truth important? Now, I'm sure you'll come to the conclusion, well, it's important and we value it because it's good. It's virtuous. Well, if that's the case, then as we know on atheism, good and bad are just subjective concepts. There is no objective reality to them. Hence, if that's the case, well now what does that mean about truth? Where does that leave us in regards to truth? Why pursue it? Now some atheists may turn around and say, well no, it's not about whether it's good or bad. That's not important, that's not relevant. What's important is that truth has utility. You can take a utilitarian approach to this. You can say, well, truth is useful. It has benefit for me and my family and my surroundings and my society. Hence we pursue truth. Well, isn't it the case that sometimes what's true may not necessarily be useful for us? It may be detrimental to our current way of looking at things, our current beliefs. So in those cases, what would you do? If you look at it from the perspective of utility, well, in those cases, you should just turn your face away from what's true and not consider it, not value it, not accept it. See, atheism leaves us in a very strange place in regards to all of the things that we understand, we acknowledge as human beings, things that we value as human beings, things that make us human. And this is why I always encourage atheists to really question their paradigm and really understand that the things you value and that you hold sacred and that you hold to be true, atheism strips away the importance and the true value of all of those things. So if you're truly a seeker of truth, I would say, well, the first step you need to take is to abandon atheism and start looking elsewhere. And I encourage you, as I always do, to look into Islam, read the Qur'an, because it provides you with all of the foundations we need to be able to make sense of all of these realities. So I leave you guys with this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care.